Hey Docs, we're offering our Concussion Roulette Masterclass online. Now, I've done this live here at the Rose Bowl in the past for CE credit, but the portion that didn't get approved for CE credit was the marketing. And I'm proud of that fact. It's a badge of honor because the truth is the communication was so good. The fact that it was so heavy in pulling dozens of new patients into the practice, it wouldn't qualify for CE credit. However, the portions that did qualify were because of the faculty, because of the world-class people that are teaching, and also because of the incorporation of the brain science, the performance science, and even looking at the sports medicine side of what you can do as a chiropractor. Far too much for me to explain, but some simple sound bites. Variables like neck musculature determine whether or not someone has a brain concussion. After a concussion, it's been recommended in medical journals that the upper cervical spine gets checked for alignment issues and also functionality. You could tie in some of the science and research by Heidi Havoc in an upper cervical subluxation and things like elbow placement in space because of afferent efferent nerve supplies, which of course then ties into the fact that there's a 2 times greater likelihood of Tommy John surgery after a concussion. Look, far too much for me to explain outside of the fact that you need to be on this program if you want to be the cultural authority in your community on the topic of concussion. It's called Concussion Roulette. It's all online video training. It's a masterclass. And there's a Facebook page where I can answer your questions real time with the faculty to make sure that you are not only pulling new patients, giving great care, but you know the information that your community needs when it comes to brain health. It's a super exciting topic, and the only downside is we won't be going here onto the Rose Bowl at lunchtime like we've done for the live symposium in the past, but benefit to you is you can watch it multiple times. Concussion Roulette. It's a master class. When the date starts for our class, we have to close it off, and we won't take any more applications into the program. So please get in before the deadline or you will be left out. And the content information is super rich. I could go on for hours. In fact, we'll do that inside the program. But my co-teachers, my faculty, it's world class. And it includes Scott Rosa, who was on ESPN with Jim McMahon, that kind of broke open this whole conversation of the NFL, brain health concussion, CTE. And the truth is you can help prevent CTE. If you get to young athletes at the middle school age, the high school age in your community, they're your next new patient. You can end the pain conversation, get into performance after this program. I want to help you be the cultural authority on brain health, concussion health through Concussion Roulette. We'll see you online.